Here comes the troop. Eleanor and Owen are in the carriage, and Dashiell's on Mommy's back, and Daddy and Neelykins has 2 pairs of ski poles. One Douglas is broken one. Here comes Chris, and he's coming along. He's coming along. Look at that form. Look at that great form.
No poles. Don't need no poles.
Oh, that's right. That's the ultimate, isn't it? Okay, and here's Grammy on her birthday. Hello, hello. Hello, birthday girl. We are in Houghton, Michigan, way up on the northern peninsula. And as you can see, it's snowing out here. Alrighty, isn't this beautiful? What do you think? We went out and set some tracks. They promised us tracks, all set, but it didn't happen. There's the sauna, little house there, and there's the house and the garage. We don't get to use the garage, but the house is very comfortable, and there goes everybody. Off they go. Jen's pushing Doug and the sleigh because it's so hard.